So, Shika, this is the first time we are meeting, so we can introduce about ourselves. Can you introduce about yourself first?
Yeah, why not? So, as you know, I'm Sikha Singh and I belong to UP. I have
Mhm.
completed my graduation in science, and a
Mhm.
part of graduation, I have done diploma in education. And my hobbies are dancing and reading. And now I'm working as a primary teacher.
Oh, wow. A lot of teachers are taking part of this English area, I believe. Even yesterday, I
Oh,
spoke with
really?
one teacher. Yeah, yeah, super. So, about myself, my name is Gopi and I belong to Chennai. I'm working as a quality control specialist in a BPO, and I have 13 years of experience in this field, working as a quality analyst. And also, I had experience working in international call center. Like I interact with native English speakers also. And apart from that, I am working as English tutor as a freelance job, teaching many college and school students. That is all about.
Really nice to hear you.
Thank you, sir. Okay. So, are you teaching kids or primary school students, right?
Yeah, kids from first to fifth class that I have to teach.
So that is the difficult thing, right?
It's
They won't listen
difficult.
to us,
Yes.
especially like secondary school. People will listen to us. Like somewhat they'll be silent, but primary school is the toughest thing we can do, right?
Yes, right. But what is my experience so far? It is nice. There is no any problem like that. But yeah, some difficulties exactly
Yeah.
is here. But uh, I think by the time it will be removed and it will be good.
Okay. Cool. So have you gone through today's study material?
Yeah. I had seen
Okay.
the
Can you
topic
tell
for
me?
discussion. What is the topic for discussion? I had seen
Okay. So what is the topic for discussion today?
that is the hard work versus smart work.
Cool. Super. So what do you think? Like teacher job is a hard work or smart work?
Nowadays it is going smart work because everything is digital and we are doing a lot of things by digitalization. But yeah, it's also a little bit hard because we also have to make effort to do some things to manage schools and children's. It's also a little bit hard work,
Okay.
but yeah, I think it is the mixture of both.
Correct, exactly. That is what I was also thinking. Like it's a combination of hard work and smart work. Correct.
Yeah. Yes.
So we have few questions regarding the subject. Okay. So I'm going to ask you the question. Try to answer it in like 2 or 3 sentences.
Yeah. One.
In case if you are making any mistakes, I will let you know. If no mistakes, I will not tell. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So so what's your view about hard work versus smart work?
Yes, so my view about smart work and hard work is, earlier it was like that hard work, it means something which we are doing physically, but it is uh, prior to the this internet era. But now I think it's not, although there was that was existing, but now, hard work, it is also mentioned as a work which we are doing with a long time. And smart work, it means something we are doing any task, any project in a short time, and the result will be same of both.
So
Yes.
so I believe like smart work is like smartness, correct?
Yeah, correct. Why not smart work? Because most of the people just believe on the smart work, and this is also doing nowadays for the last 2 years, I think it has been done.
So especially when it comes to IT or BPO jobs, now they are expecting smart work rather than hard work.
Yeah, might be.
I feel, yeah, I feel it. So here you wonderfully answered the question. only few things I have noticed, like you mentioned my view about, okay? You mentioned my view about, which can be replaced by in my view
Yeah, in my view.
or in my opinion.
Yeah, in my opinion. Yes, yes.
So that would be the better usage. Okay. And can you spell physically?
Physically.
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 You are saying physically, Fiji. That not jaw sound. It be physically. See, sa sound. Sa sound.
Physically.
Physically. Now we are pronouncing it perfectly. And mention.
Mention.
While you are pronouncing, you said mention. It's not mention. It should be mention. Shun.
Mention.
Yeah, now it is perfect. So those were the pronunciations. Okay. So make a note of it. So it will come like through practice we can correct.
Yeah.
So the
Okay.
next question is, what is more important, hard work or smart work? What do you think about it? Which one is more important?
What is more important? So I think in my point of view, smart work. It is also important, but hard work is more important than smart work. I think, yeah, it maybe it's weird to listen, but that's my own opinion about this. Because smart work is doing by I think everyone, but hard work. If you are doing hard work, so with determination, with passion, and with patience, then the result will be good. And definitely, whatever your knowledge, it will be fixed for the things. As like I want to mention
No, no.
like our scientist Albert Einstein, they they were also doing hard work lot of days, and after that the result will be good. And we are nowadays everything whatever about them, we are just reading. So only because of their hard work. So they did a lot of hard work. So hard work, its effect is something else than the smart work.
Good. Very, very good point. Actually. So you used very good words like determination, passion. Those were very good words used while you answered the question. And again, like my point of view, rather than saying my point of view, in my view, it's better. Or according to me, or in my opinion. My point
Yeah,
of view is
according
not.
to me, I also mentioned. So once I was just read that. According to me, it is something. It is informal. So
No,
most of the
according to
time,
me is correct one. According to me is correct one. Or you can say, in my opinion, that is a recent thing
yeah, in
people are
my
using,
opinion,
right?
it is better.
In my opinion. Okay, that is the best one. Because according to me, it's like it was used previously. Nowadays, they are not using it.
Yes.
So now
Yeah,
they are
yeah,
saying like, in my opinion, or in my view.
yeah. Right.
So that would be. Apart from that, it's a very good answer.
Okay. Thank you.
So, what one thing you have achieved from smart work?
Okay. What one thing that I have achieved? I think nowadays I'm talking to you right now. If I'm talking to you, so that is also only because of my smart work. I didn't do any hard work behind this. No any hard work, only a smart work that I did, because I just done some work online, digital, and so I didn't make lot of effort for this. So that's why this is a smart work, not a hard work. So that is the one thing that I did. I think still. Otherwise, I didn't do anything.
So even this one, I would say like it's a combination of hard work and smart work, right? Like
Yeah,
even
that's always
you're putting
that's
your effort. See, you are giving your time, a valuable time, like you are spending your time to improve. That is a hard work, right? But
yeah. Why?
we are using digital technology that we can call it as smart work. But at the same time, you are putting effort to improve your communication skills. So that is hard work.
Yes, yes,
Right.
sure. Yeah, that I think I already mentioned that both are the mixture of hard work and smart work that's going in common person.
Okay,
Thanks. Yeah.
it's true. True. I agree with you. So explain your experience about both hard work and smart work. You have any experience, like how to say? So rather than this, we can say like, can you tell me like some advantages of hard work?
Hard
Some
work.
advantages of hard work. 2 or 3 points.
So there is many advantages of hard work. So I'm just putting some over here. Like if you are doing hard work, then definitely the result will be done. Okay. Otherwise, the next advantage that I would like to mention, yeah, if you are doing hard work, so that time your strength, your caliber is also developing day by day. So that's also their advantage. By doing hard work, you will be a just a decent person because you also gaining some impatience. You're not a impatient person. You're not eager to do everything within a minute quickly. You are doing everything with have a patience. So that's also the advantage of hard work.
So those are the advantages. So here you has used one wonderful word called as caliber. It's good. I like the word. Okay. And apart from that, like 2 corrections. You mentioned many advantage. It should be many advantages.
Advantages, yeah,
Okay, many
right.
advantages. And impatience person. It should be impatient person.
Okay, patient person.
Impatient person. Okay, those are the 2 corrections, sir.
Okay.
I believe these corrections are helping you, right?
Yeah,
Will help
definitely,
you, right?
definitely it will help.
Maybe if you listen to this video once again, you can correct those things in future.
Yeah.
So now we have seen the advantages of hard work. Now tell me some disadvantages of hard work.
Okay, some disadvantage of hard work. So some disadvantage I just want to put. First thing that is time, because it takes lot of time. So if you are doing hard work, being a hard worker, you have to spend more time for do anything to achieve something. And rest of this quality, that is also because if you are doing hard work, so whatever the quality of your outcome, it would be good or not, it depends up to you, means how you are working on this. So the quality and time, that is, I think, some disadvantage of this hard work. Yeah, rather than something we can also use, because if you are doing hard work, so most of the time we just got fed up to do things, so we try to just left the things, we just try to give up the things. That's also the disadvantage of that.
So by doing hard work, we are hurting our body, right? That is also happening. So
Yeah,
it's because of overwork, we get a lot of stress.
yeah, stress
That
is
will
also,
affect our body.
yeah. Sometimes we
So
feel demotivated.
sometimes you'll feel if you are not getting the what is a required results, definitely will get demotivated.
Yeah, yeah, right.
So here you mentioned it take lot time. It should be take lot of time.
Yeah.
That is the only correction I'm. So now we saw the advantages and disadvantages of hard work. Now we'll go to smart work. So what are the advantages of smart work according
Okay,
to you?
so the advantage of smart work also, because if we are doing smart work, so that time we will achieve our outcome very soon. We will, means within some time, within a few time, we can done more things. And by the smart work, your quality will improve day by day. You are doing something that you didn't do. So if you are doing this, your quality is just boost day by day. And smart work, it makes a person delighted.
Oh.
Yeah, these are some common advantages.
Advantages. So here used a wonderful word, delighted. So I believe you have very good vocabulary. So you
Yeah.
can keep it up, okay? You have very good vocabulary. I think you're reading newspaper or books.
No, I'm not reading newspaper still. But yeah, rather than this, I'm using to watch videos on and news online. But there is no any offline newspaper.
But your choice of words are really good. You're using some excellent words when you speak. That is your strength.
Thank you.
So, and here you mentioned within few time. Okay, can be
Yeah.
replaced by within a short time.
Within a short time. Yes, right.
Within a short time, okay. Or we can say within a short period of time.
Yeah, within a short period of
That is a better usage than using this. And again, the quality level will boost. The
quality
quality
level.
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 So those were the corrections.
Okay.
Okay. So now we'll go to the disadvantages.
Yeah, smart work. So there is a lot of disadvantages of smart work because it makes the person lethargic and uh, you know people they are all the time they depend on digitalization, all the time they depend on something else by via they are doing the things. And smart work, day by day it also reduce your strength. uh, and by the smart work, sometimes you also feel like you also felt that I am just got fed up to do this because it makes irritating sometimes.
So irritating for who? For
Yeah.
ourselves, like we feel
Yeah, for
irritated.
ourselves, if you are working every day the same things they in same pattern, so sometimes we just got irritated. Oh my god, we should change something else because
So
if we are
rather than saying irritated, we can say we get bored. We
yeah
get
we
bored.
could yes right.
So I believe you don't like monotonous job, right? You like monotonous job?
No, yes, monotonous. I can say it's also up to everyone. Not saying, yeah. Sometimes I feel we should change ourselves. By the time we should do something else also, not like a conservative person,
Correct.
only doing one thing. Yeah.
So what do you think about like primary teacher job? Is it a monotonous job or it is? So will you make any changes with that job? Like I mean, will you use your creativity skills during your
No,
job?
it's not a monotonous. Nowadays it is a versatile area. There is lot of things that you can do because there is a lot of activity for kids, also for you. By the time there is some training also provided by the government, so that's not getting irritating and boring. And this is the era of modern. So nowadays, every school, primary school, they also are changing. You can see the what is the condition of Delhi primary school. So it's not like the earlier. The time is changed day by day. So like this, it is also changing. There is no certain things that we have to do only this. You can so your whole strength there is. Only you have to just improve your kids.
Okay. So Delhi public school is really looking great. It's looking like a private school, right?
Yeah.
So are you
Great.
working in a government school or it's a private school?
Yeah, it is a state government.
Oh, state government. So you're a government employee.
Yeah, right.
Wow, it's a wonderful job. Very peaceful job actually.
Yeah, thank you.
So unlike me, like I work in a MNC company, they put a lot of pressure on me.
Oh my God.
Okay, but this is a cool job. So in this, especially in this answer, I like the choice of words used, like lethargic, digitalization, irritating, conservative, versatile. Those were very good choice of words. Excellent words. Okay. That is your plus, as I said before, that is your very big strength. Okay, choice of words. So keep it up, the good job.